So as a meta marketing expert or performance marketer, we always look for other opportunities or different opportunities inside the dashboard where we can customize better things so that we can eliminate the manual reporting and stuff. So here you can see I have created Tanmoy's View 2024, the custom report inside the dashboard, how I can see every type of metrics that I need for a sales campaign. Like I want to create the report of 1st November to 9th December. So it's like 1 month and 9 days. So to create that, you have to first log into your Facebook account, then ads manager, then you have to directly be in that kind of dashboard. Then just from the campaign section, just go to columns, right? Go to columns, and if you are into columns, you can see performance. The default is performance. It will optimize for the performance. Just for example, clicks, and also other metrics will be missing. It will just show you reach, impression, results and stuff. But the next step is performance and clicks. It will just show you some clicks data, how many clicks you got, blah 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 blah. But as a marketer, you want to see much more things like CPM rate. At the same time, you want to see ROAS and other stuff. So to do that, you just need to go there, then you will scroll down, customize report. So to create that from the scratch, I would delete everything from here, and I'll just create a simple one for sales campaign. See, I know everything that I need. I can just search and I can create. But for you have to understand how many different type of things you can do with that. So please scroll down everything that it offers and try to know everything. So I'll just go with delivery. Then I need CPM. Then I need spending, amount spent, purchase. So when you are in purchase, just try to know purchase and also purchase cost, then ROAS, and yeah. So conversation started and message conversation cost. Reach, of course. I don't need impression because I'm not a big fan of impression, since we are performance marketers. So let me see. Okay, through play, that's very essential. CTR is very underrated for as a marketer. CTR is very essential. CTR means click through rate. You've shown the ad to 100 people, how many of them actually did something or like stopped watching your ad. So how this is very relevant if you are running an ad with massive budget and you are seeing that one ad there is a CTR of 5.69. so 5 people among this 100 are actually stopping and clicking on the ad. And if you're running an ad there, you can see 0.29% people are just stopping. Then the ad is actually irrelevant to your audience, right? So you should just turn off the ad or change everything from that ad or just change targeting. So that's why CTR is very essential, but I see most of the marketers don't pay a lot of attention there. Then link click, I don't need link click, I need unique outbound click. Okay, so I have already checked most of the things because this business doesn't have any apps, so I don't need apps installs, contacts. Landing page views for the traffic data, and then I need this engagement quality ranking. Okay, I think we're more than okay. Then we need to name something. Last 7 days. Okay, so last 7 days, if I want to see that, this is the status is active. It started date, end date, amount spent. We spent around $100 in last 7 days. So I want to do a Z2 sort. So mango bar, this ad actually spent the most amount of money. Okay, I forgot to add something that should be result indicator. So to customize this, objective, yes, this one is very essential. So then delivery, amount spent, that should be the thing. So I made a change that it became a new one. So these two were sales campaign, and these three were engagement. So the first one and the last one was message campaign, and that was just page like campaign. So we've got around 146 purchases. So that's the beauty of it. As you can see from this page like campaign, within last 7 days we've got one website purchase. So if that was performance, then you can see I won't be able to say that, or I won't be able to know that. So that is why these custom metrics are very important as a marketer. Then You can see, this is purchase shown by Meta, which is not 100% correct, but that's the actual website number that you can see. Now what you have to do is, they're saying from message campaign you have got 39 sales. So you have to go to your actual report to see if you actually got 39 orders or not. If that is the thing, then it's working, otherwise it's not. You have to always know. Then cost per result, so this one is actually performing very nice. So 40 cents one order, that's advantage plus campaign. Since my ads manager had enough data, so I could show that ROS, this one is actually spot on. Overall, I think this was very valuable for you, and if you like it, stay with the channel. You can see much more videos like that. Thank you.